Hello friends, welcome to C Sharp Intermediate to Advanced tutorial. Now you are watching part 3 of the subseries C Sharp Serialization and Deserialization. In this video, we are going to talk about the Serialize example. So that means here we will discuss about this specific part. These are all the slides from previous parts. In the previous video, we created a product class. This is the class we are going to serialize as well as deserialize. And here you are seeing the example, and in this example, you will enter the details here in all these text fields. After that, you will click the add button. So once you click the add button, using the data that is entered here on this field, we will create a student instance class. We will create instance of this student, let's say EA, and we will populate all these 4 fields. Then we will give that to the array list. So you can enter multiple data and click on add n times, and you will see that student detail get populated in the array list. After forming everything, you can click on the send button. So when you click send button, data from this array list, which is nothing but a collection of student instance, that get serialized and return to the disk file. So that's all this form will do. Now we will go to the form design and look at the control names. Now it's a demo time. So here is the project created, and if you want to create the project on your own, you can create Windows application project or Windows form project. Then the form, you can design the form. Here are the control names: txt prod id, txt name, txt quantity, and txt price. Then we have 2 buttons, btn add and btn send. Then we will be having a label also here at this location, and the label name is lbl prod. So we will be giving this project as a description link. I mean the video description link. You can download the project, and from the next video onwards, when we are start coding, you can do the coding, because the form design is already available, and here there is no code added yet. And this project is exported and given in Visual Studio 2005 format, so that any user can easily convert it to their later version of Visual Studio and start implementing the code. Just now you saw the form design. Thank you for watching. Bye.